normal paper business cards? Are you confused about sharing your contact information with the customers? Well, we are here to help you with HalaTap. Share or save your contact details within seconds. Just a single tap. Yes, you can just tap your business card on your phone to save or share your contact details. Just like magic. Isn't that stylish? If your phone is not equipped with NFC, worry not. You can simply scan the QR code to save the contact details. Surprisingly, HalaTap is compatible with any smartphone with basic functions as well. HalaTap not only stores your name and your contact number, but also your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, email, work portfolios, websites, and other social media details as well. The advantages of HalaTap are its limitless storage, keeping it posted with instant updates, its high shareability and trackability. That's not all. HalaTap is very interactive, eco-friendly, and there won't be any more paper wastes. Yes, this is a Go Green initiative. You don't have to worry about the printing costs. Forget the hassle of printing business cards or saying your numbers to the customers. Say goodbye to the traditional business cards. Switch to HalaTap, the Digital Handshake.